Hello, welcome back to part 3 on the Little Lies Pet Lolly-Polly bird. So today I'm going to be showing you how to work Lolly-Polly, and I'm going to start off with the batteries that Lolly-Polly requires. So if we have a look here, there's this little thing that you unscrew and then you put in 2 AAA batteries, screw it back up, and it should be all good. Obviously make sure that your batteries are charged, and these don't come with batteries, so you need to make sure that you've got batteries to use your bird toy. So there's these little switches here for on and off, and there's these little speakers which obviously you can hear the voice coming through, and then there's this little button which you hold and record your voice. And there's this little hole here, just on her face, the black one, not the 3 kind of pink dots. And that is where you go up there to record your voice and then she can hear it. But I will just quickly say what it says about Lolly-Polly. A real candy cutie, Lolly-Polly spreads her sweetness wherever she goes. Her voice is sweet, tweet to hear. Her sparkling gems shine like sugar-coated crystals. So there's already batteries in there, they're all charged, so I'm just going to switch her on. You stroke her. She's got a little voice and she will tweet little songs. So I'm going to record something on there. Hi Lolly-Polly.
Hi Lolly-Polly. Hi Lolly-Polly.
My name's Lolly-Polly.
It's Lolly-Polly.
My name's Lolly-Polly.
My name's Lolly-Polly.
And if I just turn that off for a second, I think that that's really cool because it creates your voice into a bit more of a kind of sweeter bird voice, and I just think that that's really cool because it's more realistic for, I think, what a bird would sound like if birds were to talk. So yeah, I just think that that's really cool. So that is how you work Lolly-Polly. I will see you in part 4, which will be the last part for Lolly-Polly.